Hello, welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a home bargains haul, so this is a solo place today, but there is like quite a good few things in here. I might have raved about them before, but it's all good. Let's go through them. Before I get into the video and all of the items and show you, I just want to give you the nitty gritty, which is if you like the video, please let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up, because this helps me out to know what you guys want to see. I can give you more videos, what other people would like to see and what content they want to see more of, and the video go around, and it also gives me feedback, so definitely click that thumbs up button, please come and subscribe to tazwells12. It's very simple to do. Sign up to YouTube for absolutely free. Go on tazwells12, click the subscribe button on my main page, and you will be part of the love family and the YouTube journey. Also click the bell notification button, because that'll tell you when I've uploaded a new video. Down below there is 2 bits of information that's very important to do. You can click the share button and share it with your friends and family. They might be interested in a home bargains haul, they like these kind of hauls, then share it with them if there's an item that they might be interested in. Also, you can comment down below on the video, so that would be suggestions, ideas, whatever you like to comment on, that would be absolutely fine. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by the brands or anything that I am going to mention or places. It's not sponsored in any way. This is just items that we needed for the house or I wanted in general. It's not sponsored in any way, and it's all out of my own money. Check out my 2 accounts on social media of Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the home bargains haul, actually, which is from Amesbury. So hope you enjoy. I have got my receipt for this video. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I lose them, sometimes I do have them, but I have got the receipt for this one through my little bag of magic, and then I can tell you the appropriate amount that I paid for it. I bought, lovely start, some sanitary towels, but they're really good because they are like 2 for £1. Like shape and size, you get 2 for £1, basically 50p each. That's really good, and they're not the best of quality, but they are good enough for like when you're going through that time of the month, basically. I think paying for sanitary towels is extortionate at times, but these are pretty good. You get 2 different sizes, so I went for the normal ultra size. So these are the silk and satin, made for freedom and comfort. Ultra, which is like 3 little drops at the top there, and these are 3mm plus wings. Ultra 14, so there's 14 in here total. Ultra slim and cotton soft, and then it says plastic end product, so don't throw it into the sea and don't throw it into your toilet, which can be stupid of people. So it definitely says here, but I do not do that with any of these products, and you shouldn't with nappies either. So do not do that, because it is not, your neighbours won't be happy with you. These are literally 2 for £1, so I got 14 in each pack, which only makes them 50p each, so that's really good. And then I just grabbed some smaller ones, because smaller ones are always really handy as well. So this is only 1mm for the little droplet on the top here, and there's 20 in here, and again lingerine. On the side they say like the droplets for each one, so this is the smallest, and I have normally that. If you're a bit more heavier flow, you could either go for the ultra plus or the ultra night, depending, but yeah. So if you want some cheap sanitary towels that are pretty good pricing, these are definitely worth to get, because they're all 2 for £1. Really good. I grabbed some Febreze. We use Febreze everywhere. We go through it quite a lot. Have like 2 or 3 bottles stocked up, but we have getting to the point we are getting a bit low. We use Febreze on the curtains, we use it on the bed every time we change it. Both beds, so our spare bed and our bed. We use it on the sofas, I use it on most curtains around the house. It's such a good little product, but you go through so much of it. We got the Febreze one, and there's some certain smells I kind of like. There are other ones, but these are my favourite ones. So this is the Lenore Ruby Jasmine Fabric Fresher. Safe to use around dogs and cats, which is really helpful because we do have Gizmo. Eliminates odours, leaves a fresh scent, recyclable. So really good. The bottle is recyclable, cap on and recyclable. So results for curtains, rugs, it can even go on, and it can go on your sofas. So really good. So that's the first scent I got, and these are at the price of £2.49. They are a little bit expensive, but again, totally worth it because it makes this bed smell so good. So this is Ruby Jasmine, and the other scent I got was a Ruby Jasmine because that's the only one they had, so I got both of them. But there is other ones I do like. I've wrote these down by the way, but I can't remember what they all. The one that we got behind the TV is Gold Orchid. You might not be able to find them, depends when they come out, but yeah, this one's nice. I got some women's sensitive shaving gel. Normally I get this from Aldi, the men's one. It's pretty substantial and it's exactly the same. It's just to shave your legs or your armpits or wherever. I do get it from Aldi and we go shopping there weekly, but I just told Neil forgot, and then I thought, you know what, I saw this and this wasn't too bad priced. So this is from Ray's shaving gel, sensitive, aloe vera skin protect, and it reminded me of like the more expensive ones that you can get, but more with the aloe vera. Silky smooth shave. There's 200 ml here, which is quite a good. It will last me a little while, and this was £1.15, which I thought was not too bad. This item is going to be like more of a birthday or Christmas now. It was for my nan for Mother's Day, so I was going to give my nan this and then my mum like her normal gifts. Left it in the bag to do this haul with you, and I've kind of forgot it. So it's all right. I can give it to a different time because it doesn't say it on there. But it was such a good price, and I wish I had found like my mum one, because when I saw like on Home Bargains they said they do mum ones, but I couldn't find one. So this is a ceramic heart, cute, with like the little like butterfly on there. Obviously you can get rid of that, and then it just says forever my nan and always my friend. And I love this, and it just reminded me of the stuff that you could get from TK Maxx. I've got like a little cup that I got from the car boot sale. It's called India or something, and that just reminded me. So I would have got my mum one too, because these were only 99p, and I think these are really cute, like hanging on your chest of drawers, or somewhere in like a makeup room, or somewhere just really nice. So I got my nan one, and I can just give this for her birthday or Christmas. Some Easy Nail remover pads. They are really good. So they're in just a little pot. They're really good. I take them on holiday because I had a big mishap years and years ago where I took a small bottle of nail polish remover, because I don't get gels done, I actually do my nails myself. Took it on holiday, put it in my bag, and then we got to, luckily, to this side, and it exploded and it took all the colour out of my shoes and stuff. Good, and my stuff was stinking of it. So now I just get these little pads that come in like a little pot, and they're so handy, so easier. Basically this is it. So it's just this tiny little pot, doesn't weigh very much. So these are from Easy Nail, acetone free, 40 pads, nail polish remover for natural and artificial nails, peach fragrance, and that's it. And these were 89p. So again, yes, really good. So sometimes I use these even if I'm in the house, but they're always good to like take away somewhere. So yeah, I grabbed them. I grabbed some hair dye because Home Bargains seem to be the only place that I can get the cheap hair dye now. This hair dye is really good. My mum uses it, I use it. 1010 colour, lasts for yonks. But I used to get it in Poundland, and now they just don't have it. They do have some in there, but I can't find the colours that I want. I kind of mixed two colours together. So these are only like £1.99 in Home Bargains, so they're really good amount. So you think £4 for like hair dye that lasts you months is really good. I've gone on holiday these and they've lasted, so yeah, really good if you're looking for like a brown. I think they do blondes and stuff as well if you really want that. So these are the Swarovski polycolour ones. So this is a permanent cream colour tint, and then I get 41 medium brown, and then I also get 43 dark brown, and I basically mix them together in a mixing bowl and then place it on with like a hair colour brush onto the hair. Really good. Don't need to leave it on very long because there is a dark brown in there, so probably like 10, 20 to 30 minutes. Wash it off and the colour stays for ages. So £1.99 each is a good bargain, and if you have got dark hair and you do like that chocolate brown, then these are to go for. You could just go for 2 mediums or 2 dark, depending on what you want. But the dark, you have to be careful because if you leave it on too long, it comes out like black. So just be careful. So some washing, I don't always put in the washing machine. So something I bought first time or hasn't been washed in the washing machine, I will literally do a hand wash on it, and I'll just do it in our bath. And I'll do it with this stuff, which I'll explain in a moment, and then some fabric conditioner. And you just put like a cap of it in. Really good stuff. So this is Care for Silk and Fine Fabrics. This is Wiz Delicate Clothing Wash, suitable for machine and hand washing. 18 washes approximately, 150 millimeters. So it's just this clear liquid like that, and it's really good. Like honestly, it just smells really nice. It goes with fabric conditioner really nice. So a lot of it I'll do like anything like delicate wool materials, so like silks, wool, Neil's hoodie sometimes, because sometimes he puts them into the washing machine and they do take all the colour out. Wash it with like my slippers, just like things like that. If I really want to clean like a really white t-shirt but it's not being cleaned very much in the washing machine, I'll leave it in there instead. But really good stuff. And sometimes I'll mix that pink powder stuff if I'm doing some whites and stuff. It's not expensive at all. This is £1.29 and this lasts us a little while. We don't go very super, and then we kind of just grab a load of like hand washing and then just do it all together. And this stuff is 10. So this is my bargain of the day, and I have been using this a couple of nights and days. You can use it whenever. Really wanted an eye cream. I have got a couple that I've been trying to like use up and stuff, but I wanted like one to try that was kind of cheap, because I know eye creams can be quite expensive. Had a look in Home Bargains and found this, which I thought was really good. So I'm going to probably butcher the name because I do not know how to pronounce this. So Biovine, as you can see up here, Biovine Barcelona. So this is a hyaluronic eye filler, ultra plumping eye treatment for all skin types. So it's got hyaluronic acid in it, aloe vera, green tea, organic avocado, so all good things. Straight, firm and tight. There's 30 ml in here, so it's really good. And then on the side, so this is a 96% natural origin, clean beauty, free from formulation, made with the and natural ingredients you love and free from the ones you might not. Please find the full list below and visit website for all skin types, dermatology tested. Basically that's the box, and then this is the product. So it looks super expensive, doesn't it? Well, this was not, and it's genuinely like this, so good. There's not really a smell to it. I've been using it for few months now, or a few weeks since I've had it, because I haven't done this haul straight away since we've been, but it's really good, and it was not expensive at all. Like I said, this is the bargain of the day. This was £1.89, and I feel it's made a difference. So you can see like this side is not as bad, like here. I have a little fine line right under here, which is fine, but this one is a little bit more saggier, as you can see, but I've got like a fine line here and a fine line here, and obviously the natural one I've got under there. But when you put concealer under, it kind of like creases into that fine line, that one in the middle. But I've noticed with the cream that this is really good. So basically I will put the cream on under or over serum or moisturizer or some other oils that I use, and I feel it's come out really nice. It's come out really smooth. It's not too bad. That one is the worst one out of the two, but I feel like if I keep using this will help me. And £1.89 is a bargain. This is unfortunately the end of the Home Bargains haul. There was quite a mixture of things there, which is really good. I hope that that's helped you. Maybe if you're doing some cleaning, or you need some products, or you're trying to find that product for something like just to spray over your bed to make it feel nice and fresh. I've kind of give you hints and tips for all stuff like that, like the nail wipes. You may know these things already, but I thought, you know what, let's just maybe refresh. No, you might not have seen, there's quite a few products in this range, so might be worth to have a look at that. I think they do moisturizers, face cleaners, cleansers. Have a little look what Home Bargains have got, because again, I've had no rash with it or nothing, so really good. The hair dye might help you. So I'm just trying to give you tips and hints of stuff that I found that's pretty good, but is like half the price of if you bought it anywhere else. So yeah, I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, then please let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. Tells me what you want to see, tells me what you like. Other people see it, other people like it, and the video go around and it helps me for feedback. Please check out subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification if you want to know when I've uploaded a new video. Click the share button down below and share with your friends and family. Comment down there too, and anything you want to comment on, and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I have mentioned in this video. It's just all out of my own money and what we needed for the house or what I wanted, and there is no sponsored. Check out my 2 social media accounts of Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and supporting as always. Have a lovely day or evening. Take care, and I'll see you soon, guys.